Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, Mr. Jeff.
This is 11th grade.
Morning.
Good morning.
What's up, YouTube? It's your one and only Rikaki, Joy of 14, and I'm back at again with another for your mama. What are you doing?
3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, goodbye, class.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, morning. Just as I expected, once the school day gets going, you really start
What's up, guys? It's me, Nessie the Baller.
You really start to lose track of videoing, which I thought would happen morning. But I just finished 10th grade geometry and 11th grade algebra 2. We're just studying for our finals now, and then we're gonna get ready to take our finals at the end of this week.
Hi.
Lizzie. Oh, okay. And then we have recess now for about 15 minutes, and then back to class again.
Mr. What are you doing?
I'm just videoing one day at school. People, Rihanna. Okay. As you can see, they love TikTok here, huh? During recess, there's a lot of playing around, and you can also grab snacks. Do you want to say something? Okay, you heard it first. She's the boss of me. You can also get breakfast here at the cafeteria. And you can get Namo, which is hot dog wrapped in a pancake. And you can also get cereal, fruit, water, eggs, boiled eggs, hard-boiled eggs. Yeah. Here's our dog, wave wave. Remember. Hey, she is one of my sisters. Your class just finished?
Hello.
It's good. Morning. Morning. Oh, wow. And then, yeah, so during recess time is a perfect time to print stuff off for your next classes. And for me, get ready for pre-calc. As you can see, there's some printing going on back there. Mr. Andrew has a lot of missed assignments in his class. Yeah, I'm trying to get one day in the life. One day in the life. One day in the life. Yeah, she's not wearing her uniform. Oh, senior photo shoot.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Yeah, anything to say? Okay, and then also when you come to the office, you can get your mail sometimes right here. Today there's nothing for me, just for Mr. Enoch. Lucky man. Lucky man.
You have to look.
What does that say? It says no burping. You can't read. Gross. Morning.
Mr. Stop.
Go on, don't worry. Just act like I'm not recording.
What are you looking at? How are you doing? How can I help you today? French fries and shake? Yeah, sorry.
And some of them look a little bit worn out.
Go by the news and